Good morning guys! Christmas party at Dap Dap Beach Resorts do December 2015 together with the people we love. Because we do not know when we be departed. Enjoy life while we are still alive, because we do not know when we will be separated from each other. Enjoy, share the moments of memories, making memories unforgettable with the people we love, so that someday we will be remembered. Okay guys, thank you for watching, sharing to you the memories of our life. Bye bye bye. God bless everyone.